Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved use Audi A4 Black Edition 35 TDI with the S Tronic gearbox. Now this particular example is finished in the optional Glacier white metallic paintwork, which has really give this A4 that standout road appearance. Taking a look now at the Black Edition key features. With this being that Black Edition model, it does mean it has the upgraded gloss black elements such as the window surround, rear diffuser, side skirts, front grille and the boot lip. That just really add that aggressive design to this A4. Moving towards the front of the vehicle now, we find these fantastic digital LED matrix headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we find the Black Edition specific 19-inch 5-arm flag design Audi Sport gloss black wheels, which really complement the white paintwork. To the side now there is the rear privacy glass, which does also keep those rear occupants in view and continues the overall black and white theme. Moving into the rear boot space now with the A4 Saloon, where we find up to 480 litres of storage space, which is a large amount for a vehicle of this size and can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases as well as a few additional shopping bags. Moving into the rear seats now, we find a part leather interior with the additional Alcantara Dynamica in the centre. There is also a leather centre armrest which is fold down to present 2 useful cup holders, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, making this A4 perfect for family usage. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as fine Napa leather, Dynamica Alcantara, gloss black and aluminium. With this being the Black Edition model, just meaning you get the two-tone seats with the Audi Sports logo on both front seats. Above that we find the virtual cockpit, in which is featured the 2 digital rev counters, as well as having access to telephone connectivity and vehicle data. Now to the centre of the dashboard, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which does feature the satellite navigation and does also allow usage of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Moving just below this now, we find the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities either side of this for both front passengers. Moving to the screen above once again now, we find the reversing camera as well as the front and rear sensors, making this vehicle much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the approved use Audi A4 Black Edition, which is now available at Stafford Audi, and for more information please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.